Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of extreme machines, insane speed, and pure automotive adrenaline. If you love power, performance, and machines that break limits, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're showcasing one of the most brutal motorcycles ever created, the Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 in stunning white. This is not just a motorcycle. This is a statement of dominance. Let's start with the front view. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 looks absolutely aggressive from the front. Those sharp aerodynamic wings, the low-slung nose, and the race-focused design screams speed even when the bike is standing still. The white paint adds a clean yet intimidating contrast, making every line and curve pop under the light. Move to the side view, and this bike becomes pure mechanical art. The exposed green trellis frame, carbon fiber bodywork, and massive supercharged engine define what a hyperbike should look like. The side profile clearly shows that this machine was built for performance first, comfort second, and mercy never. Now take a look at the back view. Wide racing tires, a compact tail section, and a raw motorsport design make the rear angle just as aggressive as the front. Everything about the back screams traction, control, and insane acceleration. Step into the dashboard view, and you're inside a fighter jet on two wheels. The digital display is clean, sharp, and race-focused. No distractions, just speed, RPM, and total control. This cockpit is designed for riders who live on the edge. Then comes the engine view, the heart of the beast. The supercharged engine of the Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 is legendary. Every bolt, every pipe, every metallic surface reflects precision engineering. This is where raw power meets advanced technology. From the drone view, the bike looks like a missile cutting through space. The white color stands out beautifully against the road, emphasizing its aggressive geometry and aerodynamic perfection. On the highway shot, the Ninja H2R becomes pure madness. The way it dominates the road, the sense of unstoppable speed, and the aggressive posture make it clear. This is not an ordinary bike. This is a track monster unleashed. And in the night shot, under city lights or neon reflections, the Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 looks absolutely cinematic. The white body glowing in the dark creates a presence that no other bike can match. Now let's talk price. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 comes with an estimated price of around $55,000, depending on market and availability. And remember, this is a track-only hyperbike, built for those who want the ultimate performance machine without compromise. Ending channel call. This was the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2 R 2025 in white, only on Channel V8X. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay fast, stay powerful, and we'll see you again on Channel V8X, where speed lives. Rocket fire.